the previous video, we have learnt about denseness property of rational numbers. So, you may get a question that the whole part of number line is entirely filled with only rational numbers. There isn't any other numbers. There is a answer. Let's explore. First, consider an isosceles right angle triangle whose base and height are each 1 unit long. So isosceles right angle triangle will be like this. Both sides will be equal to any two sides. First, height and breadth is 1. Then now, using the Pythagoras theorem, that is a squared plus b squared equal to c squared, that is any the squares of the two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So now when we substitute this for 1 square plus 1 square equal to c square, then it will become 1 plus 1 equal to c square equal to 2 equal to c square. Then c equal to, taking square root on both sides, c equals to root 2. We will end up getting c equal to root 2. So what is root 2 now? Is it a rational number or an integer? So now the Greeks found that this root 2 is neither a whole number nor an ordinary fraction. The belief of relationship between points on the number line and all numbers was shattered. Root 2 was called an irrational number. So now the definition of irrational number is: an irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed as an ordinary ratio of two integers. So there is many examples of irrational numbers like root 2, same way root 5, root 7 and all, and the pi, the ratio of circumference of a circle to the diameter of that same circle, is also an example of a irrational number. And another number called E, known as Euler's number, is another common irrational number. And the golden ratio, also known as golden mean, golden section, is also an irrational number. And now in the next video, this is just introduction of irrational number. In the next video, we will discuss about how to plot irrational numbers on the number line. Already we have discussed about plotting rational numbers on the number line. In the next video, we are going to discuss about plotting irrational numbers on the number line. So meet you soon in the next video, friends. Thank you.